Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to buy crypto. We're going to be opening a Binance account and going over the basics of how to first deposit money into your Binance account and to make your first crypto purchase. Okay guys, so I'm going to walk you through how to create your own crypto account, and with this account you'll be able to purchase crypto, trade crypto, and view crypto prices, markets, different trading pairs. So let's get into it. So what you want to do is you are going to want to get onto Google somehow. I use Google Chrome. You can use Firefox, Safari, anything you'd like. And then once you get onto the internet, you're going to want to search Binance. Now, Binance is the largest crypto exchange, and there are certain countries or provinces, I guess in Canada as well, that have restrictions. But I'm going to also be doing a walkthrough on another crypto exchange that also works in Canada, so it won't be an issue. But for this one, I'm going to be focusing on Binance first because it is the largest exchange. So once you're on Binance.com, you're going to want to go to register if you don't already have an account. And for the sake of this video, I'm assuming you don't have an account. So we're going to click register. Now, earlier today, I created a email account for the purpose of this video. So we're going to go continue with Google, and we have Patrick Test here. So after you put in your email account, it's going to ask you your country or area of residence. Right now I'm currently in Romania, so we will be leaving it as Romania, but you have the list of all the countries here. You can go through them and select wherever you're from. Afterwards, you can put a referral ID if you want. This obviously isn't necessary. You can agree to emails if you want to receive updates from Binance, and you can agree to share data for marketing purposes. You can turn both of those off if you're against sharing your privacy. That's no big deal, and then click confirm. Now afterwards, you are going to want to enter a phone number, so I'm going to quickly do this and then get back and we will continue. Alright, so after you put in your phone number, you're going to get a code sent to your phone, and then you're going to input that code, and then you're going to click submit. Okay, and now you're all verified. Your phone number is verified, and you're going to go ahead and verify now. Now, this is the part where you would verify your identity, your first name. I'll put Patrick here, I guess. Last name, I'm just going to put Test because this isn't a real account. It's just something I created to show you how to make an account. I would assume the year has to be at least 18 years old, most likely. So we'll put February 28th. Sounds nice. Okay, and then you'd have to take a selfie and verify your actual identity. Now, this is where you're going to go through. You're going to take a picture of your ID card, your passport, or your residence permit from whatever country this ID is issued. And then once you do that, you're going to go through all of the steps. It's going to ask you to take a selfie. You're going to have to basically just follow along through the steps that it tells you. It's very clear. The instructions are very simple. You're going to have to wait probably, it says it takes up to 24 hours through the verification, but in all honesty, it takes about 20-30 minutes from my experience. So I'm going to skip over this, and I'm going to log into my actual account, and then we'll continue from there. After you've gone through the entire verification process and you've gotten the OK from Binance, you will end up on this home page. So this is once you log into Binance, this is where you will come every single time. And from here, you have a lot of different options. You have the buy crypto option, markets, trade, derivatives, earn, finance, NFTs, your wallet, and orders. Here you can see your account information and notifications that you would have. You can change the language and the currency. So the first step that you have to look for when you want to buy crypto is funding your account. And to do this, you're going to go right here where it says buy crypto. Now, you can choose what currency you want to pay in. Mine's set to RON right now, the Romanian currency, but you can choose whatever you'd like. There's Euro, USD, a bunch of other currencies. And then once you select your currency, you're going to have the option to either pay directly via debit card or credit card, or a third party, so a bank transfer basically. And then you're going to click on that, and then you're going to go through the information here. You're going to select the amount that you want to deposit. So in this case, the minimum was 65 lei. I don't know what that is, about $20, $15. So you would put 65, and then you can choose the currency that you would like to receive your crypto in. Now, in this case, it's preset to Bitcoin, but me usually when I do this, I like to set it to USDT. So then I know about, on average, how much US dollars this is, and from there, I have all the trading pairs that I can go into and trade further on. Now, after you've managed to fund your account, what you're going to want to do is pick a coin. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin. Okay, and you have $13. So you're going to want to go to markets. And then here you have a list of all the coins that are on Binance at the moment. Here you have a lot of different options. You can search by name in alphabetical order. You can search by price from lowest to highest, highest to lowest. The 24-hour change, this is a percentage. Right now the market's fairly down all around, so some products are doing okay. The volume or the market cap. Anyways, usually I like to set it to market cap. This is the easiest way to get a visual of what the markets are like, how the coins are doing. You have different categories as well if you want metaverse coins, gaming coins. But this is the main general idea. This is where you'll have a list of every coin you can potentially buy, and this is where you make your transactions. So let's say you want Bitcoin. You've heard everybody talk about Bitcoin. You think Bitcoin's a great buy. It's going to go up. You want to get Bitcoin. Okay, you go to trade, and then a separate window will open up. Now here is where it gets maybe a little bit complicated. Right here on the right hand side, you have a bunch of different coins. Now, last time we said we were going to buy with our 65 RON 13 USDT. So what you do, you go click on USDT, and this shows you all the potential pairs that USDT has. We said we want to buy Bitcoin, so we are going to search BTC, which is the ticker for Bitcoin. And here when you search Bitcoin or BTC, you can see all the different tickers that it has, and you're going to go down until you see USDT. And since we don't have time to do that, I'm just going to type in USDT, and voila, here it is. We click on USDT, and now we see the price. The price is 1-to-1 with the actual price, because 1 USDT is approximately $1. That's the whole idea behind it. Okay, so once you have your trading pair that you want, which in this case we want to buy Bitcoin with USDT, you go down here. Here you can set a limit buy or a market buy. Now, with a limit buy, we can say we want to buy 1 Bitcoin, for example, once it hits a certain price. So let's say we want to buy 1 Bitcoin once it hits 30,000. Right now, we don't have that much USDT. Obviously, I didn't put anything in here. I'm just showing this an example. And then you would click buy Bitcoin. And what would happen? This would create an order for Bitcoin to be bought once it hits this preset USDT price that you've inputted. So let's say you think it's going to go even lower, although right now it's at 36,000. You could put $25,000, and then you would automatically buy 1 Bitcoin once it gets to $25,000. Let's say you're not really sure what the market's going to do, and you think it's a great long-term investment, so you want to get in right now. Then what you do, you go to market buy, so you're buying at whatever price the market is selling Bitcoin for, and you just input how much USDT. I don't know how much I have in there right now. I don't think I have anything, but you can put 100% if you want to put all your USDT into Bitcoin, and you buy it at whatever price Bitcoin is right now. I have 11 cents, so I don't think I can buy any Bitcoin. But this is basically how you go about buying. And you don't just have to do Bitcoin, you can do any pairs. Let's say you want to do Ethereum. You can go to ETH, which is Ethereum's ticker, and again USDT, because USDT is paired with almost everything, so it's the easiest to use USDT basically. Again, exact same thing. You go to market buy if you want it right now, you click the amount of USDT you want to buy Ethereum for, and you plug it in. $100 worth, buy Ethereum. You would get however much that's worth right now. The exact same thing works if you want to sell something. Let's say you already have 1 Ethereum and you want to sell it right now. So you go to market again, you check your total balance of Ethereum, which right now is 0, and then you click how much Ethereum you want to sell. I want to sell 1 Ethereum at the market price, and that means you would get whatever Ethereum is selling for right now, which is 2,700-ish. If you think Ethereum is going to go up tomorrow to 3,000, again, you would go to limit, you would put a price of 3,000 here under the sell option, and then you would put 1 Ethereum or whatever your total is. And then this would also show you how much money you would get if Ethereum sold for your estimated price, which we put 3,000. So if I had 1 ETH, of course, I'll get 3,000 US dollars. So that's great. That's how you go about buying certain things. The markets, you can get any pair, you can see any currency. Perfect. Now, what if I want to see what I have in my wallet? Well, we go to your wallet and you go to overview. Now, I have my balance hidden right now, but here, if we go under fiat and spot, or if we click it here on the left-hand side, it will show all of the different values of the different coins that we have. You'll see it in the Bitcoin value, you'll see how much you have available, and the total amount in US dollars. This has a list of all the different coins you may have. They can be in order, they can be there's different ways to order these like anything else. Right now, I don't have a lot on my Binance account. I just have some small sums of some coins that I like. And this is where you can keep track of everything that you have bought. And you can also look at make a wish list basically of what you would like to buy if you go down the list. Now, I don't like to keep my personal coins on exchanges, but exchanges are of course necessary to buy coins and to sell coins. There's stable coins, which again, USDT is probably the best stable coin at the moment. BUSD and USDC are also great coins. But in theory, this is how you go about buying, depositing first of all money onto your crypto exchange account, and from there buying whatever coins you would like to buy. Binance again being the largest exchange where you have the most options for coins. I hope you guys found this video useful. In the next videos, I'm probably going to also show you KuCoin and how to create an account on KuCoin for the Canadian users, specifically Ontario users, which aren't allowed to use Binance. And besides that, I'm also going to show later on how to withdraw money from an exchange to a wallet after we learn how to create our own MetaMask wallet or Myar wallet on Elrond, Phantom wallet, Solana, and all these different wallets we can create. I just want to thank you guys for watching my video, and again, if you did enjoy it or found this content useful, make sure to like and subscribe because it really helps out the channel. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.